With the economy the way it is in 2026, moving into 2027, I don't know if it's going to get any better, but you got to ask questions when you're investing so much money into when you buy a home. Like I say, your monthly mortgage payment's the largest monthly debt, and it's probably a person's largest debt ever. So you got to ask the question. So one of the questions I would ask when someone says, well, this is the interest rate you got, a lower rate is better. Yes. But the real question is, it's not what is the interest rate, but what is the total cost of the interest over the term that I'm paying?